Here we go to check Grand Condo 7 with 2 bedrooms. So we go across to the Daysap Street nearby to the Hotel Sokha. Here is the Grand Condo 7. That is the condo already complete and move in now. This 2 bedroom, very nice decoration. As you see, the dinner place, the kitchen, the living room with the nice 85-inch TV and the private place for work. The first bedroom good repairing and have a good balcony back to the riverside. Master room looking big and also have their own toilet and bathroom inside the master room. Also, this room back to the Mekong riverside, very nice looking and fresh air. Here we go to top floor and we have 22 floor over here. We go to see the gym, swimming pool and very nice looking view around the condo 360 degrees. We can see the best view over at the top floor of the condo. At the evening time, we can see the best view to the city and with the sunset, very nice looking. So thank you for watching.